Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not sending code. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to fix a Microsoft Authenticator app if it isn't sending verification codes. Start by checking that the app is fully up to date by installing the latest version from your device's App Store. Next, open your phone settings and make sure battery optimization isn't disabled for Microsoft Authenticator, allowing it to run freely in the background. Confirm that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, as the app requires online access to deliver codes. Then review the app's permissions by going to the Settings, Apps, Microsoft Authenticator, and Permissions, and ensure notifications are enabled. If the issue continues, try an alternative verification method such as a phone call or text message. Should the problem persist, contact your school or organization's IT support team to reset your authentication method and receive further assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.